Hey, if Tinfoil is showing an invalid NCA error, that can prevent games from installing or running. But here's how to fix it. First, fully power off your console. Turn it off completely, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary file issues. The invalid NCA error is often caused by corrupted or incomplete game files. Remove your SD card, connect it to a PC, and verify the NCA files are complete and uncorrupted. If the files are corrupted, re-download them from a trusted source. Make sure the NCA files are placed in the correct folder structure on your SD card, exactly as recommended in the Tinfoil setup guide. Outdated tinfoil or custom firmware can also cause NCA errors. Update both tinfoil and your CFW to the latest compatible versions. If the problem continues, delete tinfoil and install a fresh copy. Follow these steps, and the invalid NCA error should be fixed, getting your games running again.